Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we will see one of the interesting projects, that is how to generate or create tax calculator with the help of Tkinter. So this is the way how you can, once you execute the project, you may get like that. You have to enter the cost and the tax amount, tax based on the country. It may be UK or Germany, India, and so on. So at last, once you execute the project, it will display that your tax amount and the total cost, how much you have to pay. For this one, we have to use the Tkinter and use the PyCharm coding. And before that, we have to create a one small CSV file because we are going to use the pandas concept. So in this CSV file, we can write the information like country and tax followed by. So country India, tax is 18. Similarly, country Japan, tax is 21. Similarly, country German and tax is followed by 16%. Once you created the CSV file, then we can work on with the pandas. So here you have to start the project with the help of the Tkinter. As of you know, Tkinter is one of the very familiar GUI. We can create a number of applications and you can perform the a number of activities. That means we can create window. In the window, whatever want we can, where the user, based on our requirements, you can enter the things like create a buttons and activate everything. For this purpose, we are going to use the pandas here. So as of you know, pandas is a very familiar library placed in the Python. And moreover, the pandas is needed for data analysis. That means any data set is there. It may be a data set in the form of CSV or Excel, anything. We can utilize it. For this thing, we are use the function called calculate underscore cost. Then we are going to write the code. Given country is equal to CS underscore tax dot get. Then we are going to use the float value because the tax vary. So we are going to use the line called float reader dot location of reader of country is equal to given country tax dot values of, here using the location of sorry tax values of 0 because the array values start from 0 and cost equal to get cost. Similarly, we are writing the code calculated tax equal to given cost multiplies given underscore tax by 100 and calculated total cost, that is for adding the calculated tax and the given cost. We are the user, we are going to enter some values. It may be 20,000 or 30,000 or 50,000 or anything, even $1 lakh also. Then we are right. So we are display, for display purpose, we are using the function called display underscore tax underscore value under dot confix text equal to calculated tax. And similarly, total cost also. Then we are writing the creating the Tkinter. The title we are going to give tax calculator of followed by the geometry size of 500 multiplies 250 here. And we are write the string variable, then writing the tax code string variable because we have to give the initially it be 0 and we have to give the percentage value. Sorry, by default take percentage from the CSV file. That means here we are writing the file here, that is der is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV of tax.csv. This line is utilized to read the information from the CSV file. So if you click the India, it will take the value tax percent is 18. If you take Japan, it will take the value of 21 and so on. And we are going to end the program. Here we have to use a label size and cost size also. Cost, so get underscore cost and for performing the operation like root, label and button. We are going to create a button for calculate. So we are writing for the text is called calculate and foreground color is green followed by font size Arial and so on. Then we are writing the tax value. We are writing the block font size Arial followed by the size of x as 30 and y is equal 200 and display value. We are writing the function called display underscore tax underscore value dot place of x equal to 130 comma y is equal to 200. And at last we are going to complete the label value. We are writing the total underscore cost underscore label where you are writing the label of root comma text code total cost. So it will print the total cost. We are the user, we have to enter the amount. For that one, it calculate the, if you select the country, it will print the total cost as well as the tax amount also, total tax amount and so on. For this purpose, we are writing the total underscore cost value and writing the information. At last, we are into with the program with called, that is code called root dot main lookup. Let's execute the program. So this is the way. So just I'm entering the value of 50,000. I'm writing the code where I'm selecting the like India. Just I'm pressing the calculate. It is display the information. Your tax is 90,000 and total cost is 5,90,000. So on. Similarly, I'm for this amount I'm pressing the Germany. Once you press the calculate, it will print the value like this. So this is a way how we can successfully generate or create a Tkinter for loan calculator with the help of CSV file and with the help of pandas also. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.